The truth always comes out, no matter how carefully it's hidden. Every detail matters in a case like this. You can't run from the truth.
If you want to play with fire, you'll get burned. I never lose. Not in business. Not in life.
VO, hesitant, stammering under pressure. Voice lines. I didn't see anything. I was just trying to mind my own business. Please. I'm not involved in this.
VO, cold and distant, with a tinge of sorrow. Voice lines. You don't know anything about our marriage. What do you think I am? A killer? I didn't care anymore. But I didn't want him dead.